Well, very good morning and welcome along to Eastbourne on day 4 of the Nature Valley International. It's third round action here on Court 1 today. And we start with two players who can reach their first ever quarter-final here in East Sussex. Jelena Ostapenko, the 5th seed, world number 12 and last season's French Open champion, up against a player who has created one of the most remarkable stories of the 2018 season, Mihaela Buzarnescu. Another great return here from Ostapenko. Jelena Ostapenko restores her advantage.
Ostapenko leads by 3 games to 1.
Buzarnescu will be disappointed with that service game. Good return this time from the Romanian.
40-15.
And that is the first set to Ostapenko, 6 games to 1. The Latvian is getting closer to a first ever quarter-final here in Eastbourne.
Jelena, the fuse is on court for her.
Buzarnescu clearly struggling. First set to the 5th seed, 6-1. So Mihaela Buzarnescu getting some treatment here for all that shoulder problem. It's the left shoulder, her serving shoulder, of course. Taking that medical time out just to try and get it feeling a little bit better. Not exactly sure what the problem is. It certainly looks as though it's going to be a big uphill task now for the Romanian. Pretty comfortable first set in the end for Ostapenko. And Buzarnescu holds. So an encouraging start to the second set from the Romanian. And she only needs one. Buzarnescu just doesn't look quite right out there today. Shoulder perhaps still troubling her.
That's enough.
It's nicely put away again.
Advantage
Very close to missing. It's another break point. It's second match point here for the Latvian. Jelena Ostapenko into her first ever Eastbourne quarter-final. A straight sets win against an out of sorts Mihaela Buzarnescu. A little over an hour required to get the job done against a player who was clearly struggling. Shoulder problem for Mihaela Buzarnescu clearly affected her serve. We didn't get to see the best of the Romanian, whose season has been remarkable. And her performances on the grass have been excellent, but it's Ostapenko who has done enough today. 6-1, 6-2.